This is Just in Case of American Newscape, and more importantly, our friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hi there. It's always nice to talk with you.
Well, it's nice to know what's going on at our libraries. So that being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Many things as usual, but I've handpicked just a few to talk about today. First of all, we have a special story time coming up Thursday this week. It's a hashtag Plant Wildflowers story time with Master Gardener Bobi Kress. And this is a program that is part of the Plant Wildflowers Initiative grant that the library received. And so we will have Bobi available to read a story for story time, and then the kids will have an opportunity to make their own solar-powered pet bug for their garden. So fun story time and activity coming up this Thursday at 11 o'clock at the main library.
So to clarify, I'm going to learn about I'm going to know everything there is to know about planting wildflowers, and then I'm going to create my own bug to live in my wildflowers.
Exactly. You've got it.
Okay. That sounds like a great program. What else have we got, Sarah?
Well, coming up at our Heritage Library, they offer a Teen Tech Thursday a couple times a month. And this month, even though summer reading has ended, they are still enjoying the Oceans of Possibilities theme. I think we're hoping for ocean breezes, the possibility of ocean breezes here in Yuma, because it's pretty darn hot right now. So we'll enjoy that theme and pretend that it's cooler than it is. But the teens are invited to the Heritage Library to make an ocean-themed screen filter for Instagram.
Well, that's cool. You can't have enough tools for Instagram.
I've seen some really clever things.
Oh,
so this should be a lot of fun.
All right. What else we got, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, the Short Film Lovers series is wrapping up at our Somerton Library. They've been offering this on Saturdays throughout the summer, and it's an opportunity to come and watch a film that is approximately anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes long, and then there's an opportunity to discuss it with fellow film lovers who have also come to see the film.
Well, are tall film lovers invited?
Yes, we will make an exception for you.
Okay, for tall film lovers. All right, Sarah. And short films have become very popular, and it's another cool program the library is putting out there for us.
It is very cool.
Okay, so you had something else you were going to remind us of.
Yes, I wanted to mention and just remind people, unfortunately, we are seeing our COVID numbers rising again here in the area. And I wanted to remind people about the curbside service that the libraries offer. So if you perhaps don't feel comfortable coming into the library, or maybe you're experiencing symptoms and it's not a good idea for you to come in the library, we can still get your library materials to you through curbside pickup. The branches offer curbside, and the library actually has a pickup, the main library actually has a pickup window that you drive up to. But regardless of which library you go to for that service, you'll stay in your car and we will get your materials to you. So if you'd like more information about that, it's on our website, yumalibrary.org, and we are so happy to provide that service. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, all the libraries are still offering curbside pickup.
Well, and the library needs to be commended. You guys did a remarkable job during the height of the pandemic, and you were recognized, won some awards for this curbside pickup program and the way you promoted it, which was very, very cool. So everybody there should be, very proud of what you guys accomplished.
We are very much. Our staff, like many other people, we had to pivot and quickly find another way to be able to serve our patrons, and our circulation staff and our information services staff, they really rose to the occasion. So we're so happy to still be able to offer that service.
All right, everybody. Hey, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.